I get broads in Atlanta, twisted up lean and shit, sipping fountain. Credit cards and the scammers, wake up beside your shit, let designer, over to the shit, they be
Toure trying to do that. Campbell is in there as well. Henry takes it. They have done. They have done. And it's Sol Campbell. Iniesta to Larson to Eto'o. 1-1. They found the gap. Belletti. Larson. Back for Belletti, brilliantly done between the two substitutes. He can't believe it, but he has scored the goal for the put-back. Yes, one hope that long-term problem of blurred vision was way behind Paul's goals, but obviously with any blow to his face they'll be thinking back on that. And here's Brown for Ronaldo! In the 26th minute. His 42nd goal of the season. It's come against Chelsea. It's come in the Champions League final. The game would be a very cautious chessboard affair. The goal has changed that. Here's Essien. Oh, and it might run here. And it has for an equaliser, which is poached typically by Frank Lampard. Right on half-time, Chelsea are level against the balance of the match. He didn't look happy coming forward, Anelka, and he's not happy now because it's red in Russia. This English night in Europe is Manchester United's night. Best in the Premier League. Their European final against Manchester United in 1991, that was the Cup Winners' Cup. This is Iniesta though. Oh, Eto'o's opened it up. Well, how about that for smash and grab? It's been all Manchester United, but after 9 minutes, Samuel Eto'o. Eto'o, Puyol in the middle.
Just got to keep that. As we said, they're just hooking a leg at that. Just bring it down.
It's 2-0. It's Messi. He scored against an English club now. It's Manchester United. Winners of the Bundesliga, winners of the German Cup, and playing for the Champions League. They're troubled by Sneijder and the dangerous Milito! The scorer of the winning goal in the Italian Cup final, the scorer of the goal that won the league title, clinched the league title, and now he's put them in.
You know, maybe Gorlic, not surprised he took the shot on, but he might have set it for Van Bommel.
Here's Milito against Van Buiten. Past Van Buiten, Diego Milito! It's his night! It's Inter's night, it's Mourinho's night, surely. Extra time. Xavi. He wanted to come and watch that final, but his family wouldn't let him. He's found Pedro! Barcelona score in the 27th minute. Politics. And you're expected to win every game. Of course, they do win most. And this is Rooney. And Rooney has equalised for Manchester United. He's struck. Second goal in 15 appearances, Pedro. Tonight. Messi. Oh, Messi! He overpowered Edwin van der Sar. Out of very little. The little man gets a lot for Barcelona. Here's Dani Alves. Xavi. So they've got Manchester United where they want them at the moment. It's David Villa. Brilliant. Brilliant Barcelona. David Villa gets in on the act.